In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an Aquarela AI video with Seedance 2.5. So to create a video with this style, first we need to create an account in NovoAds AI. This is a platform where you can try this AI model for just $1. So after you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings, and here in model, we need to choose the Seedance 2.5 model. Now in duration, you could use up to 30 seconds if you want, but for this example, 8 seconds is okay. Here you can upload images, audios and videos of reference, but I'm not going to upload anything. And here I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and here the important part is this one. This is where I say the style of the video, and all this other part is where I describe the scene, what will happen. But if you want to do a video of another thing, but with this style, you just have to copy this part. So now we have to click here, and now in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. And there we have it. As you can see, the Aquarela effect looks really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section and that you can try this platform for just $1. So after saying that, see you in the next video.